Big man levels, you know, so I never know me that live to say this. But me no feel like when I left back Jamaica, me no feel like me come back in. Yeah man, me go try one of them run off something there. Dad, first problem I have in I got a gas station. Go buy gas and I realize that 87, which is the cheapest gas, I sell for $196. And that kind of put me in position as me if I said that I saw the country gone. But anyway, enough for that. This morning I'm gonna buy one pepper. I need this pepper. This pepper I need, the small one, the yellow one, the country hot pepper. But I go with a $500 I say boy that too liquor for come out of $500 in the morning. So I take one of the sweet pepper, the big one. Right? And two, I just take two of the country one instead. Out of 500 and I get back $160. Now me not the one for ask prices, but me I try to work it out. Me make sure I ask the lady if she realize that the three something take. She say yes, 2 country pepper and a sweet pepper. Like me say, me nah go ask price kind of my style. But me I try to work out the maths. What could that be for what and what? Me don't know if you can't work it out, you know. Cause me don't want to believe say I saw pepper gone. You see me, and Jonas, me don't know, me they are foreign in my area say but the country in a good position and good state and you know better than before and big man levels. You're my prime minister, I love you. And no matter how I go vote for you. I feel like I die out for Labour, right? But you need to explain something to me that like this I can't get this. This is not supposed to be $340, can I get 160 change. Can't get this. Somebody need to explain this to me. This whole day come I stop talking about this for the entire day, you know. I pepper them in father. So I could buy a cabbage or something. I don't know. I don't know, like what I feel like I go do one of them run off something there and abandon Jamaica because me can't afford this. Me just tell the truth. Dog, like how am I comfortable in life, me just can't afford this bomber clock. This not real.